I made my dreams come true by years of hard work, obviously. I guess everyone can say that. But I found that my trick was basically being at the right place at the right time. I know people say that, but I think it's, a lot of preparation comes into that statement. When I first got hired at Tree Sound Studios in Atlanta, Georgia, as an intern, my duties were sweeping the floor, taking the trash out, going on coffee runs, getting food. It was a different time. This was like '02. So, things were pretty strict as far as you forget someone's ranch dressing. Okay, that's okay one time. The next time you might be fired, like literally. Or you just wouldn't get put on any more intern sessions because they knew that, if you can't remember to get someone's dressing on the side and check the order, then why am I going to trust you with a $2 million recording studio? So those simple lessons and attention to detail, it really carries over to all aspects. And it's something that I am very a stickler with my externs from RRF and everything that we have them do, because it might be like, oh, I gotta do, this stupid thing. Well, but there's a method to the madness. Show up early, prepare. Like, preparation is so important. I see people all the time, this is a deviation a little bit, but I see people all the time show up 5 minutes before the session happens in a room they've never worked in. It's like, man, I get there at least 30 minutes before. Let's run some signals. Let's play some stuff. Let's see what the room sounds like if I'm not accustomed to it. I don't want to be going through all that stuff. And that's basically that's like the catching you with your pants down kind of thing, kind of scenario. It's you don't want your client to see you sweating. You want him to seem like, damn, he's never worked here before, but wow, he knows it's like it's because I got here early. I ran the microphone through the signal path. I found out that this was bad. We had to change the microphone cable. Just even something simple like that you might not catch. It just makes you look so good when there's no loose ends here, because you have already familiarized yourself with that room. You know what it sounds like. You maybe ran your favorite song through the aux and just heard what the room sounds like. Maybe it's speakers that you've never used before. Play something that's very familiar to yourself and have that whole thing out of the way. All those things out of the way so that when you hit record, you're prepared.